Hello, my name is Katie Alpin-Cordero, and for my reading log assignment number 2 for my notable award book, I had chosen One Kansas Farmer, a Kansas number book. The authors of the book are Devin and Corey Skillion, illustrator Doug Bowles, publisher Sleeping Bear Press, copyright date 2009. The genres are concept, counting, informational, medium and media, and illustrations, and picture storybook. There are 40 pages in this storybook, and the appropriate ages are from 6 to 10 years old. There are no characters within this book, but it does have a lot of information that represents Kansas. The illustrations in this book are done in watercolor. They always provide a numeral. Every page represents a number, like this one represents one Kansas farmer. So they show one Kansas farmer. And then always on the side of the book will show the numeral, the written word of the numeral, and the facts about what is going on in the picture. The plot of this book is showing the history of Kansas. The history of this book takes place throughout the state of Kansas. The theme of the book is knowing the facts about Kansas, and there are no interactions between between any characters because there are no set characters. In this book, it provides a lot of useful information about Kansas. It has geography, history, math, science of the state of Kansas through learning historical facts about the state. Historical facts about famous people who lived in Kansas, the animals, insects, plants, and motto that all represent the state of Kansas. So for instance, when it shows like the number 5, it shows that there are 5 rivers that are divided in Kansas. It shows, like in page number 6, that there were 6 nations that once ruled the state of Kansas before it officially became a state in 1861. And it has a lot of really useful information I believe children will benefit from when they need to learn about Kansas. The purpose of sharing the book is to provide interesting information facts about Kansas while they are learning to count from 1 through 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, and lastly 100. The concept that children can take from this book are knowing the historical facts of the state of Kansas. And something that connects me to the storybook is representing the number 2, about 2 songwriters. The song that the songwriters Dr. Brewster Higley and Dan Keller created was called Home on the Range. And this is a popular song that is sung in elementary school. And it just brings me back a lot of happy memories of when we used to sing it. An activity I would do for the book is setting one day called Kansas Day, and we just learn interesting information about Kansas and just doing fun activities through worksheets and reading interesting facts from this book and also online sources. Thank you for watching.